alam mo, tawagan mo na. Because they cannot enter or exit without being registered in an RFID. Meron po tayong security features, CCTV, at ang isang kwarto, 4 lang nakatira. 4 lang po. Dahil yung experience ni Sir Alan na sinasabi niya, yun yung experience ko rin. Nung nag-aral ako sa UE, sa Gastimbide, ako nag-boarding. Shop kami sa isang kwarto. 7:30 ang pasok mo. Meron pang, pag nauna sa banyo pag naglabas, ang lakas ng amoy. Paano kung, kaya yun, inuunahan namin dahil pag nauna siya, hindi ka na makakapasok. Pag siya ang unang nag-disposito, wala na. Sobra na withdrawal mo. Kaya, 4 lang po. At meron po tayong segregation ng babae at lalaki para hindi po ma-jaundice. Yan po isang ano natin, kaya bawat floor yan, meron pong security features, hindi pwedeng pumasok ang lalaki dun sa floor ng mga babae lang. This will again, as I've said, will usher a new kind of living. Sa taas po may swimming pool. Meron pong gym, because nakakita natin na ang mga estudyante ngayon hindi lang kailangan malakas ang pangangatawan, hindi lang po sa isipan. We have devised, by the way, yung sinabi po namin na this is the 20th, hindi po sinasabi namin magaling kami. Marami dahil nung nagsimula kami, ang dami namin pagkakamali. Nag-iterate kami, nagbago kami ng bago, at medyo perfecto na ng kaunti. Medyo marami na kaming natutunan na pagkakamali ng una. At ang isa pa po, sanay po yung property management namin. Mahirap po ang property management. Meron mga estudyante talagang pasaway. So kasama yon, we're dealing with that. You will have worry-free investment because we have a property management team that again, hindi po dahil magaling sila. Dahil ang dami nilang pagkakamali, ilang taon na kami nagmamanage and we keep on innovating. We keep on iterating. Because at the end of the day, we have to have that growth mindset of keep on improving. So, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. By next year, by the way, this will be built. April will be finished April 2022. In time, hindi po 22. 2022 in time for the opening of classes in 2022. And it would really enhance the educational system here in Dagupan. Alam mo, I'm very impressed. Nung pumunta ako, alam nyo, hindi po biro-biro. Ilang beses akong pumunta rito, linibot ko yung lugar. Pumunta ako sa Yupang, nagtatap sa board ng mga taga-Dagupan. Ang galing nyo sa engineering, ha? Engineering, and I entered the Yupang campus, especially, maybe you do not know, Yupang was bought by the FINMA Group, the Del Rosarios. So, with that, improvements are really forthcoming. I've seen also Lyceum, it's a very good medical school and medical and auxiliary education. I see Dagupan as one of the premier educational institution or city that would promote education north of Manila. So, let's look forward to this. By next year, as we have said, we will also be yung mga in advance na lang. Even as we speak, we're looking to put up a door in Angeles City, near Holy Angels University. one in Malolos, Bulacan, near La Consolacion College. And we would like to provide premier school dormitories all over the country. Sa Butuan, yung sa lugar ni Sec Andanar, pumunta rin po kami doon, Cagayan de Oro, tinignan namin. He's from Siargao, and we are also looking forward to establishing in Mindanao and in Visayas as well. So join us, partner with us. Hindi po kami pumunta rito para to tell you what to do. We would like to ask you what more can we provide for the city of Dagupan. Maraming salamat po.